Hey everybody, welcome to Deals and Steals Family Consignment Sale. DealsandSteelsConsignment.com. This is our home page. If you found us this far, you're in the right spot. This year, for fall of 2020, our sale is October 31st to November the 2nd. Because we were canceled due to COVID in the spring, this will be a all-inclusive sale. So all of your fall, winter, spring, and summer items will be included, all seasonal items as well. So any of those holiday decorations that you've got will be allowed in this sale. Again, the sale is October 31st and November the 2nd. The 31st, Saturday, is the public sale. The half price sale will be Sunday, November the 1st, and then the half price sale, the dollar sale will be Monday, November the 2nd, all at the Jackson Fairgrounds in Jackson, Tennessee. We're doing just a quick update to the screencast we've done previously as my consignment manager has changed. Just want to keep you up to date on those changes. That way when it comes time to enter your items and print those tags, you know how to do that and you won't run into any snags there when you get ready to enter those items. So the first thing we're going to do is go to consignor and volunteer registration. If you have not ever consigned before with Deals and Steals or with another consignment sale, you're going to create an account. You'll just click on create an account, put in the standard information, and follow the prompts there. If you have not registered for Deals and Steals Fall 2020 sale, you're going to want to click on register. If you have registered, you're just going to click on sign in. Enter your credentials there, your user ID and your password, and then click log in. Excuse me. This is your home page. It's going to tell you your check-in time, if you've signed up to volunteer, when the event starts. And then there's a few tabs down here. Manage items, that's where you're going to spend the bulk of your time. That's where you're going to add your items, print your tags, and then manage your inventory from there. The volunteer tab, if you're interested in volunteering for the sale, there's a lot of perks that come with that, such as early shopping privileges, greater percentage back. Then you're going to look at the check-in tab. You want to choose a time to check in to bring your items to the fairgrounds. Item transfer, if you have inventory from other sales, from my consignment manager, you can transfer those items to this sale. We do ask that you use our colored card stock, so that way it makes it easier to sort, so that you get all of your items back whenever the sale is over, should you have any items remaining. The settlement report, that's going to be where you can check your earnings throughout the sale. So at the end of every day, you can go to this tab, look and see what you've sold, as well as how much you will bring home. And then if you have any questions, you can go to the Contact Us tab, go to email dealsandsteelsconsignment@gmail.com, and Gail Forbes will check those emails and she'll get back with you as soon as she can. So for this screencast, we're just going to go through a quick demo here of how to enter items and then print our tags. So as you can see, we already have several items entered. We're going to enter just a few, that way you can see the process. So we're going to first go up here to add manual. Now one change that my consignment manager has made is that they allow you to use voice entering now. So you'll go to, if you choose to do that option, you'll go to add and then follow the directions there and the format they want you to use when voice entering those items. For this demonstration though, we're just going to go to add manual. First thing we have is a decorative plate. So we're just going to go find an appropriate category. In this case, we're looking for decoration. Right there. And we have no size, so that's not applicable. You want to be as descriptive as you can when entering your items. That way if the tag gets misplaced or separated from your item, we have a better chance of matching that tag and item back together if that tag is found. So like I said, we have a decorative plate that we're going to add, and we're just going to say that this is a green and blue floral plate. We'll select a price. We want to price this for $5. Like I said before, we have a half price sale, which is the 50% sale on Sunday. If you're interested in selling that item for $2.50, if it does not sell prior, you'll click this discount box. If you don't want that item back at your house and you just want to donate it, you'll click the donate box. If you have multiple items of the exact same thing, you can click down here, and let's say we had 4 of these plates. We could say add 4 items, and it would create 4 tags for that exact same plate. In this case, we only have 1, so we're just going to say add 1 item. We'll click add. Alright, so we got an error there that says that it's too long, so we're just going to say plate, and then we're going to say down here in the description green and blue floral. Alright, and we've successfully added that. Alright, the next item we're going to add is a pair of boys' shoes. So let's find boys' shoes. And these are size 9 to 12 months. And we're going to say Nike is the brand. And these are black and green. Select a price. We want to sell those for $6. This time we don't want to discount them, so we want those to sell for $6 all the way through. So we won't check that discount box. We also, if they do not sell, we want those back. So I'm going to leave that donate box unchecked. I've got 1 item. I'm going to add that. So as you can see, I've added the boys' shoes here and the decorative plate there. And let's do one more. I've got a women's dress. So I'm going to look for women's clothing. Women's dress. Alright, and the size is a size 12. Alright, so there's the size. And this is a Tommy Hilfiger dress. And this is pink with white polka dots. We want to sell that for $12. I'm not going to discount it, nor will I donate it. So I'm going to leave both of those unchecked. I've only got 1 of those, and I'm going to add that item. Okay, so once you have entered all of your items, we're ready to print our tags. So in this demonstration, we've only entered 3 items. We've entered the women's dress, the boys' shoes, and the floral plate decoration. You want to try and print your tags in sets of 8, because 8 tags fit on 1 sheet of cardstock. So you can maximize your cardstock use by printing multiples of 8 if possible. So, but for this demonstration, we're only printing 3 tags. So we've checked the 3 that we want to print. We're going to go up here to print, and it's going to give you a message to look at the download button below. So here's that download button. We'll click on that, and then our tags will pop up. The 3 that we've entered, you'll put your cardstock in, and then you can print those tags. Make sure that it is in landscape and not portrait. And you do not want to print on both sides, so make sure that that is unchecked. And then you'll print those tags, cut those out, and then pin those or tape those to your items. So as you can see, it's a really simple process. It takes very little time to enter those items, and then to get those tags printed, cut out, and then put on those items. If you have any questions, again, you can email Gail Forbes, dealsandsteelsconsignment@gmail.com. Check our Facebook page for any updates. Look forward to having you consign with us at the Jackson Fairgrounds in Jackson, Tennessee, fall 2020.